Here's how I convert JPEG to PDF. I use this new app that my brother and I created called Convert Save. There is a link for it in the description. Converts audio, video, and images, including JPEG to PDF and multi-page PDF. So if you've got like receipts or something you're trying to combine into a PDF, or you just have a single image you want to be a PDF, all you have to do is find that on your computer and drag it over to Convert Save, and it's going to load it up in here, all the files if you have multiple, and then you just have to select the output. So I'm going to go down here and grab PDF and then click on convert, and it converts that to a PDF and saves it right next to the JPEG file or whatever your input file was. And then if you want to do multi-page PDF, I'll go ahead and delete this PDF. You can actually, if you have, maybe you had multiple receipts you're trying to combine, I'm going to go ahead and clear out the file we had. And then let's say I want this to be in a certain order. So I want the coffee place to be first, and then receipt number 2, that should be second. And then we got this last JPEG here. And you can see that there's a mix and match. It's like PNG images, JPEG images, it doesn't really matter. Go up to select output. Down here, you're going to have PDF and multi-page PDF. So if you load a bunch in here and then select PDF, it's going to save each one as an individual PDF right next to wherever that file came from, because it could come from all sorts of different folders on your computer. And then you can also select PDF multi-page. That will save the PDF in the location of the first image, and it will save it in the order of the images. So this will be the pages 1, 2, 3, etc. And all you have to do is hit convert. It combines all those together into a nice multi-page PDF. And if we check it out here, yep, we got multi-pages here, all my receipts here, all in order, and I can take that PDF and do whatever I want with it. You can even see it's even a little bit smaller in size than all of our images that came in here. So we've really compressed that a little bit and also created this awesome multi-page PDF. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of sick and tired of uploading images and all kinds of stuff to random websites for conversions. And so we created this desktop app. It actually works offline, so your files don't get uploaded anywhere. There's a link for it in the description. It's called Convert Save. It converts audio files, video files, and image files right now. We kind of want to make it an all-in-one sort of converter, so we're going to have documents and stuff as well. So we're updating this. There's going to be a lot of new features, but if you check it out, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But that's how I convert JPEG images to PDF files and multi-page PDF files using Convert Save.